All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Mahmoud Faisal Khatib. I am the Bowtie Attorney. We're here on Bowtied in Real Estate, where your deals get untangled and your deals get tied up. We're working them up. We're working on a kind of catchphrase here, but we are here today with a lovely Francesca Sarmiento from Sarmiento Law. She is a family law attorney out of the wonderful state of Florida, and I would call Miami its own little enclave within Florida, separate from pretty much all of Florida. It's like its own little thing. If you know about Miami, you know. Thank you for being with us today.
Thank you for having me.
So, tell us what is it that you do?
So I have 3 practice areas right now. I do family and I do injunctions and also criminal defense.
And you are a licensed attorney in Florida.
Yes.
Got it. And between family and injunctions, and what exactly is an injunction again? Like, tell me a little bit about that.
I think you were telling me that they're called OPs here, right?
Yes,
So
orders of protection in Illinois. Yes, that is true. So essentially, there's the civil part where a spouse goes or some domestic partner says, this person is scaring me or hurting me or whatever, and the court will put something. On the criminal side is different though, right? What's on the criminal side?
Yeah, so on the criminal side, the state would decide whether they're going to place that order or not. And then with the injunctions, it's more like a civil case. So there's different kinds of injunctions, and there's violence, but there's also stalking.
Got it. And so on one side, when the state's involved, that's usually some sort of criminal activity took place.
Right.
Some sort of attack, some sort of stalking, or some sort of, police were called.
Yes.
And police came to the scene. Got it. So what made you decide to go into this area of law?
You know, I thought I would never do this when I first started law school, but
Okay.
I got out, and these are kind of the ones that I fell into, but I ended up loving them.
Got it. And was it like one of those things where a client showed up and said, I need this, and then you started doing it?
That's exactly how it happened.
That's usually how it happens. It's interesting when you ask most attorneys how they became in the areas that they became in. Usually it's because that was their first or second job that they got, and then they just stuck with it for the rest of their lives.
Right.
And I'm guessing you like what you do.
Oh, I love what I do.
Got it. And what made you choose to go to law school to begin with?
So it was my last semester, and I was going to go into medical school. And
That's a big difference from
yes.
Yes. I mean, both bloody, just different types of blood.
Exactly. And then my last semester, I worked at the law library, and I just loved it. So I switched on over.
So you decided to actually go and do law.
Yes.
Very cool. What law school did you go to?
St. Thomas.
St. Thomas. Where's St. Thomas?
Miami Gardens.
Got it. Miami. So are you born and raised in Miami?
No, I was actually born in Texas.
Texas.
Yeah.
Well, everything in Texas is big, right? Something like that. Very right. So what makes what part of Texas?
Houston.
Isn't that like become very liberal nowadays or something? Everyone's like complaining about Houston or
Yeah, I left before any of that happened. So
Got it. So you moved from what was going to become blue to something that's become totally red.
Yes.
Got it. Well, cool. Very cool. So tell me anything. I'm sure you've come across a few things in law that have been interesting, or at least amusing, or even just downright frustrating.
Right.
Tell our viewers something.
Well, let's go with an interesting one.
Okay.
So I did an injunction. It was between a boyfriend and a girlfriend.
Okay.
And the boyfriend had gotten mad that she broke up with him.
Oh.
So they had taken some intimate photos, and when they were together, and
Wow.
next thing you know, like her boss has it, the entire community has all of these pictures. So
oh wow,
that's when she came to me and asked for the order.
So that's a common thing from. I mean, I know that became a whole genre of. I mean, pornography was revenge porn, right?
Yeah.
And there's been a lot of laws and a lot of things to kind of get rid of that and remove that. Hypothetically, I don't, porn is not my, I have no idea. But so what can a woman do in that situation?
There's a couple of things that can be done, and I, had to give her referrals for other, people as well. But technically, I mean, she came to me for the injunction side, and we got it granted for about 2 years.
Got it. And that's to stop him from
staying, like, to stay away from her, but also from disseminating the pictures, and
Got
any
it.
violation of that would carry jail time possibly.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
And that was pretty easy to get based on showing proof that he did it.
Yes, and it was a female judge, and she was almost she's like, I didn't technically have to see all this, but I showed her everything. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a whole nother. Okay. And so, what other options now? But the pictures are out there now.
Yeah, that's
So,
right.
what is there anything she can do about the pictures that are already out there?
Technically, she can get a money judgment against him, like, a tortious one, like defamation.
Right.
So the problem is, he's a cash business person, so he could really, it'd be,
He has no money.
yeah, on
He has
paper,
money, but he has
but
no
yeah.
money. Got it. Got it. So getting a judgment won't do much. So what kind of like, I mean, what would be would it be defamation, or what would it be like? What kind of grounds would they have to go on?
It could be defamation. It could also probably be tortious interference, with a business relationship. She's like a realtor, like well known as well. So,
Oh, so it's impacting her business.
right.
So if I remember from my law school days, defamation usually requires that it was a lie or that it was a false truth, something false, right?
You're right. Yeah.
In this particular case, would it be ruining her reputation,
You're right. Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just curious. Unless those pictures weren't hers, right? Because I'm sure people have taken heads of one body and put on another body.
Oh, it was her for sure.
Oh, it's for sure. Okay, got it. So you could connect the two. You saw what she looked like, and she was like, "That's definitely her picture."
Yes.
Got it. Got it. Okay. Um, that'd be very bad, right?
Yes.
So, so tell me, what made you go from Houston to Miami?
So I actually went to Orlando. My family moved down here.
Ah, so the whole family moved from Houston to Orlando.
Yes.
Got it. What made them pick Orlando?
My dad just wanted to move there.
Love of Disney?
Well, he thought that would be good, and it was. It was so nice.
That is nice. How old were you when you moved to Florida?
I was a little baby.
Oh,
But
wow. So
yeah,
so you little so like got it. But that's funny. You like once Texas, always
always
Texas.
Texas.
Even if you're just a baby.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So what do you like to do for fun?
I mean, I love going out. I like being with my friends. I'm very social.
Got it. Any interesting hobbies or
I like paddleboarding and running.
paddleboarding and running? Got it. You won't see me doing the running for sure. Paddleboarding is kind of fun. Do you
Yeah.
do it so Miami has the bay, right? Or is
So
it
I do it at Tiger Tail Lake. It's like a man-made lake. I'm a little scared of animals.
got it.
Yeah.
Got it. So because do you have a problem with alligators? And
Yes.
like
Yes.
so I remember someone once told me that if there's any body of water in Miami, it's got alligators in it.
It's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it. So Tiger Lake is do
It-
they also do scuba diving there?
Not there. It's too shallow.
Oh, got it.
And then there's also other pools where they have paddleboarding.
Got it. So it's a lot of core work.
Yes.
Yeah. So very cool. So paddleboarding and
Running.
running. Have you done any marathons?
I have not. No, I just don't like to run in the sun.
Got it. So you're running inside.
Yes.
I love it. I love it. I love it. You get the pale skin, you'll get totally
Yes, it'll
burnt.
be burned.
Yeah, you need like what, 75 SPF or something?
Well, they say over 50 doesn't work. So it's just
Oh,
added chemicals. So I just do like 48.
got it.
Yeah.
I did not know that. So like
Yeah.
if you go more than 50, it's like
Same thing.
same thing.
Yeah.
So you can't put 50 on 50, make it 100. It would just be
Yeah.
just 50. Got it. Very cool. So do you have any favorite places in Miami that you would love to go to?
I mean, there's really nice hotels there, like Faina, and like you can go to like the restaurants there. I'm sure you've been probably to Faina.
I have spent a little bit of time in Miami.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think most of my family says, "Bro, you just need to move there," and I'm like, "I know, but
Yeah.
I'm not sure yet." The whole thing about having to take a bar exam in Florida, I just not wanting.
You can do it.
Yeah, I know, I'm sure, but I don't want to.
Yeah.
Well, very cool. All right, so favorite book?
Oh, that's hard. Um, oh, that's so hard. Okay, I like self-help a lot.
A lot of
So,
self-help books.
yeah.
That's huge.
Mhm.
So you got like your whole list. So what's on your? Do you have an Audible?
I do. Okay,
All right,
yeah.
so what's on your Audible list? Let's do that.
Okay, I have oh, what is it called? This one and this one isn't self-help. I should just grab my phone and read that. Okay, so of course Think and Grow Rich for self-help.
Yep, good one.
Yeah, let's think of How to Win Friends and Influence People.
Oh, that's a good one. I have
Yeah.
not read that. Was it good?
It was
I've heard a
good.
lot of good about it.
Yeah.
Did it help? Are you influencing people left and right?
Well, I'm here with you, right?
There we go.
So
There we go. You definitely got yourself onto this podcast because we're
yeah.
really famous. We have 3 viewers. I think one of them is my mom.
Oh, that's so
I know,
cute.
right? Actually, I don't even think she watches, but that's a whole nother story. Um, so very cool. So what makes you? Because obviously you're trying to find clients and you're trying to help as many people as you possibly can. What differentiates you from other attorneys or other people? Like why you?
So, I really care about my clients, and I also got into family because my nephew was adopted by my mom, and
Oh.
yeah, I like bringing families together.
Yeah, yeah. That's interesting. So your nephew, you open up the door to
Yeah.
personal now, right? So the door is open now. So now we have to walk in. So your nephew grew up almost like as a little brother then, or was he
Yes.
older?
He's 7
He's 7 now.
now. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So recently.
Yeah. That was. Hmm.
Okay. They live in Orlando, or are they in Miami, or where they?
In Miami now.
So everybody moved from Orlando to
To
Miami.
Miami.
Very cool. And that must be a lot of fun having a 7-year-old brother.
Oh yeah.
That's a huge spread.
Yeah.
Do you want to talk about that a bit, or not really? Kind of how that
Um.
impacted the whole family move into family law.
Yeah. So, and it was that semester where I worked at the law library that my nephew got adopted. So, actually, the person we hired there, and I guess it'll be free advertising, but it's Jordan Abramowitz. And at the time, I didn't know I was like hiring literally like the top family attorney down there.
Oh wow.
But it was just a miracle because it was my mom who didn't. Grandmothers don't really, and I'm sure probably works the same way here. They don't really have rights to their grandchildren. So the fact that he even got her into the courtroom was like amazing, and
Oh wow.
yeah,
So it sounds like it was a fight to get.
it was, and it was a long and hard adoption. It was spread over like 4 years, but
Was this your sister's
yes,
sister's
yes.
son?
Hmm.
Got it. And I'm almost afraid to ask this question. Is she still around, or?
Yeah. So
Okay.
and his dad is still around. So he just visited actually. After a while, he's there now. He's there now visiting
Okay.
him. So
Got
they're
it.
still around. Yeah.
Got it. Got it. So what was I'm interested what the legal strategy was to get the grandparents to get rights, and I'm guessing they took the rights away from the parents,
They
or
have to, yeah. First, they have to take the rights away from the parents, and then he's up for adoption.
was it voluntary or was it involuntary?
Involuntary at first, and then eventually voluntary.
Got it. That's I mean, it's a wonderful reason. I mean, it's wonderful that was your impetus, and that sounds like an extremely difficult time
Hmm.
in the family's life, just all that battling.
Right.
And you still chose to get into family law.
Yeah.
Looking back on it, would you have done anything different or seen anything different? Or let me rephrase that. Looking back on that experience, do you approach your clients any differently now because of that?
Um, I would say I try to be very kind, and I think a lot of attorneys do, but yeah, and more than anything, I'm always being in family. If it's a divorce or if it's a paternity, I'm really open for reconciliation, and I never push it on to people. But if they ask me like, well, what do you think? I always say, oh, well, maybe that's a good idea. Again, bringing the family together.
Absolutely. It's unfortunate you see a lot of divorce attorneys. Man, not a lot. I can speak for just my limited experience that usually it's about the fight,
Right.
and
'Cause
not
it's the
what's really.
billing.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's not really what's best for the child
Yeah.
or what's best for the family. It's what can they build the most and do the most and make the most.
Right.
Um, all right. Well, we went from happy to very,
Very.
very sad. Um, but I do appreciate you coming today,
Thank you for having
and
me.
visiting. Absolutely. Um, Francesca
Sarmiento.
Sarmiento. Sarmiento. It's almost as hard as El Khatib. So we have Francesca Sarmiento, who visited us today. Thank you so much for being on the show, from Sarmiento Law. And we'll make sure to get your contact information. We'll put it at the bottom of the podcast, so that way when we post this, they will be able to contact you if they have any questions or anything they're looking for in family law in Miami. Is it all of Miami? I mean, is it all of Florida or just Miami, or what's?
So it's south, so Broward, Miami, and then some Palm Beach as well.
Got it. Broward, Palm Beach,
Miami.
Miami. Got it. Hialeah?
Hialeah, yes.
I heard Hialeah is like its own little thing. Mahmoud Faisal Khatib, the bow tie attorney. This is Bow Tied in Real Estate, where your title gets untangled and your deals get closed. It's good to see you all. Take care.